If your kitchen drawers are a chaotic mess of spoons, forks, and random tools, then this kitchen drawer organizer is about to change everything. I've been using it for a while now, and honestly, it's one of the smartest kitchen upgrades I've made. The compartments are perfectly sized, expandable, and super sturdy, so everything from spatulas to tiny teaspoons finally has its own place. What I love most is how it instantly transforms clutter into a clean, organized layout. No more digging around or wasting time searching for the right utensil. The premium material feels durable, smooth, and easy to clean, making it ideal for daily use. Plus, it fits almost all standard drawers, which is a huge bonus. If you want a neat, stylish, and efficient kitchen setup, this kitchen drawer organizer is absolutely worth it. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.
How I organize my dream spice drawer.
These space-saving airtight glass food storage containers have completely changed the way I organize my kitchen. The airtight seal is super strong, keeping every ingredient fresh and protected from moisture. The best part is the space-saving design. These containers stack so neatly that my shelves instantly look cleaner and more organized. The glass is crystal clear, durable, and doesn't hold stains or smells, which makes it perfect for meal prep, leftovers, and snacks. If you want freshness, quality, and a beautifully organized kitchen, this set is truly a must-have. Let me tell you about one of my favorite Amazon kitchen upgrades, these glass food storage containers. The quality impressed me right from the start. They're made of thick, sturdy glass that feels premium, and the airtight snap-lock lids seal perfectly every single time. No leaks, no spills, and my food stays fresher for so much longer. I love that they're completely microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, which means I can cook, reheat, store, and clean without switching containers. And the best part? They stack beautifully. My fridge and pantry instantly look more organized and clutter-free. They don't stain, they don't absorb odors, and they're ideal for meal prep, leftovers, snacks, or even portioning weekly lunches. If you are trying to keep your kitchen tidy and upgrade to safer, more durable storage, these glass food storage containers are absolutely worth every penny. These airtight food storage containers have seriously upgraded my kitchen organization. The sealing lock is amazing, no air, no moisture, and my snacks stay fresh so much longer. I love how neatly they stack, making my pantry look clean and spacious. The clear, sturdy design helps me see everything instantly, and the quality feels premium. If you want a fresher, more organized kitchen with zero mess, these containers are truly worth every penny. Tired of opening your fridge and feeling like you're diving into chaos? Let's fix that. The best storage containers for your fridge aren't just about keeping food fresh, they transform the way you organize, store, and even eat. Start with airtight glass containers, perfect for leftovers, meal preps, and that salad you swore you'd finish. They're durable, easy to clean, and you can pop them straight into the microwave. Next, go for stackable BPA-free plastic bins for fruits, veggies, and snacks. They save space and make everything visible at a glance, no more mystery containers hiding in the back. And for those tiny items, sauces, herbs, or cheese, modular containers with clip-on lids are your best friends. With the right containers, your fridge isn't just cleaner, it's smarter. You'll reduce waste, save time, and actually enjoy opening your fridge door. So upgrade your storage game. Tired of opening your fridge and feeling like you're diving into chaos? Let's fix that. The best storage containers for your fridge aren't just about keeping food fresh, they transform the way you organize, store, and even eat. Start with airtight glass containers, perfect for leftovers, meal preps, and that salad you swore you'd finish. They're durable, easy to clean, and you can pop them straight into the microwave. Next, go for stackable BPA-free plastic bins for fruits, veggies, and snacks. They save space and make everything visible at a glance, no more mystery containers hiding in the back. And for those tiny items, sauces, herbs, or cheese, modular containers with clip-on lids are your best friends. With the right containers, your fridge isn't just cleaner, it's smarter. You'll reduce waste, save time, and actually enjoy opening your fridge door. So upgrade your storage game. These glass food storage containers and utensil shelves have truly upgraded the way my kitchen looks and works. The glass containers feel premium, thick, sturdy, and completely clear, so I can see every ingredient without opening a single lid. They keep my leftovers fresh, they don't stain, and the airtight lids seal perfectly every time. And the utensil shelves? Honestly, they are a total space saver. Every spoon, spatula, and cooking tool finally has its own spot, which makes my counter look neat and helps me cook so much faster. No more digging in messy drawers. This combo makes the kitchen look organized, stylish, and incredibly functional. If you want a cleaner, fresher, and more efficient kitchen setup, this set is definitely worth trying. If you've ever opened your pantry and felt overwhelmed by clutter, then these pantry organization ideas are exactly what you need. I recently revamped my pantry using a mix of storage bins, airtight containers, tiered racks, and lazy Susans, and the transformation is unbelievable. Everything finally has a place. The clear containers keep dry foods fresh and let me see exactly what I have. The baskets are sturdy, easy to pull out, and perfect for snacks, spices, and bottles. And the multi-level racks make even the tiniest shelves super functional. No more wasting time searching for ingredients or buying duplicates. What I love most is how these simple organizers make the pantry look cleaner, brighter, and so much easier to manage. If you want a stress-free, efficient kitchen, these pantry organization ideas are absolutely worth trying. They truly make everyday life simpler. Let me show you how I created my dream spice drawer using one simple Amazon find. I picked up this sleek, adjustable spice drawer organizer, and honestly, game changer. The moment I placed it inside my drawer, everything instantly looked cleaner, brighter, and way more professional. Each tier holds my jars perfectly, labels facing up, so I can grab exactly what I need while cooking. No more digging, no more mess. The non-slip design keeps everything in place, even when I'm rushing around the kitchen. And the best part? It's super easy to clean and fits almost any drawer size. If you want that Pinterest-worthy spice setup without spending much, this organizer is absolutely worth it. Trust me, your kitchen will thank you.